teams was in a tight finale in the game of basketball. Team A has 59 points while Team B has 57 points. As the game goes on, a player in Team B dunks 3 points followed by 3 rows of 2 points. There they could stop their momentum. But what is momentum? Momentum is the product of mass and velocity. The object's momentum depends on two factors, mass and velocity, mathematically expressed as P equals m times v, where P is momentum, m is mass, and v is velocity. Now, what is the momentum of an object that is not moving? For example, a car parked outside. Answer: 0. A more massive object in motion has a greater inertia, therefore a greater momentum. However, a massive object without velocity means 0 momentum. If there is a change in the mass or velocity of an object, the momentum changes, and that change is the impulse. Impulse happens every time. If one throws an egg directly to the wall, it will definitely break. This is because when the egg's motion abruptly stops, its momentum suddenly changes. However, if it is thrown on a piece of cloth, the time of impact will be increased due to the cushioning effect of the piece of cloth. Therefore, it will lessen the impact force. What would happen if a car and another car had an accident? They would collide and make a collision. What is collision? Collision is an encounter between two objects resulting in exchange of impulse and momentum. There are two types of collision. The type 1, elastic collision. Elastic collision is the collision in which the total kinetic energy of the system does not change and colliding objects bounce after the collision. For example, billiards ball. One billiards ball hits another billiards ball and they exchange momentum and bounce off each other. The next one is inelastic collision. Inelastic collision is the collision in which the total kinetic energy of the system changes because it is converted to some other form of energy. Some objects stick together after the inelastic collision. Example of inelastic collision is a ball of clay hitting a wall. When a ball of clay hits a wall, it sticks to the wall. The clay deforms.